Everybody's attention, please.
Oh, really?
We have to get a whistle.
Yes, I do. Or a taller box to stand on.
You need a little bell, Eric.
We thought about that. I want to thank everybody for, for taking the time. This is not an easy thing to understand the first time. Really what it comes down to is this thing called focus. Most people are out here and they're thinking about all the different aspects of things. And I think what everybody's starting to learn here this evening is that if you can bring things in, and if you can crystallize and make them as simple as possible, then it's a lot easier for other people to help you. It's not to say that you're going to get all the things that you need resolved at one time. That's not going to happen in this kind of environment. But if you're looking for one single thing that you want to go after, and ideally get that, in walking around the room and talking to Ken, I think that basically everyone in the room seems to have gotten that message, that that we're down to the one sort of thing that they're looking for. But I know it's not easy, and I appreciate your patience and spending the time to basically to figure out what that thing is. So we'd like to get started, and the way the process works is that one person is a seeker, they'll have a hat on, and what we're recommending is that you take 30 seconds, or in other words, as small amount of time as possible to explain what it is that you're looking for, and then allow everyone else to fill out the cards. The seeker has no cards in their hands, okay? The seeker's cards are under their chair, under their